Oh yeah, this is Logic on steroids. Please hit subscribe. Watch these body cam videos. Check out my playlist. Don't forget I got a playlist. Matter of fact, the playlist is right here on your top right. Bam. Okay now. Listen, if you don't like my commentaries on these videos, you know what I mean, you can watch the original video where the actual video came from, which is also right here in the top right. Bam. You get what I'm saying? Yo, this is some kind of laundry fight. I don't know what happened, some kind of dispute, but we're gonna get right into it right now. Let's do it.
Are you ready? On August 3rd, 2025, officers responded to a laundromat for a call of a customer battering another customer.
Hello. What happened?
I don't know what happened. All I know is that they were in front of each other with the car. I thought they were talking, but then I guess that's her daughter was telling me that she pushed the other one, that lady at the driver.
I guess they
pushed her.
It may have been I guess she asked her to move. She became upset or something.
Yeah. So
did you see anything between each other than talking?
No, not really. She wanted to get her clothes out of the dryer right next to where she's standing, and she wouldn't move. So it's like she's right here, but the open dryer is there.
Right.
So after, because she moved to the side, so the lady can get her clothes. I'm not in her way. I'm not in her way. And so I called my boss to ask him how he want me to handle the situation. And he said that if she didn't move, to call you all.
You want her to be trespassed or no?
You want me to call my boss to ask?
That's up to you. I mean,
let me call him and
because if
ask him.
she's gonna act a certain way and not listen to you, then you don't have to put up with that.
Right. She always has a little problem. I ain't never, I guess, seen her get that.
She a problem child out here?
Yes. It's like wherever she's at, if I'm washing here, don't be in my space.
Do you want to call your boss to see if he wants to trespass?
Yeah.
You don't have to. I mean, you have the authority to do that yourself without your boss. I mean, you're an employee, you're a representative.
Right.
But
hey, Andrew, so one of the customers ended up calling me for
basically Spanish lady and the black lady down there, they're drying clothes next to each other. Spanish lady asked her according to her, kindly move so she can get her clothes. She ignored her. She asked her again to move, and I guess she kind of turned the cart and it hit her. Said it was maybe accidental, but I guess she got involved with the manager and said, hey, can you move? And she kind of gave her a hard time, and so I'm asking her if she wants her to be trespassed because, according to her, she's have a problem child when she's here. So, but there's no crime or nothing. It's just, it's just a 22. But lady over there apparently could be a pain in the ass.
We can ask her to leave.
Yeah, that's why. Yeah,
we can ask her to leave. Yeah, if she's a problem right now, if she doesn't, if you don't want to trespass her, we don't have to.
We don't have to.
We can tell her to leave to remove the situation.
You want her to leave?
Hello.
Do you want her to leave now?
Yeah.
All right.
Okay.
Yeah.
How you doing, ma'am?
Uh-oh. Let's see what's her nationality. Let's see what color she is. Is she green, purple?
I'm doing myself.
Oh.
We don't want this to escalate. We just need to move.
Ma'am?
And she's ignoring this.
Let's put up the crazy clock!
You need to leave. Ma'am? You need to leave. Ma'am?
Get your.
You need to leave.
Are you ready, ma'am?
Oh my God! The police will not stop harassing me. Oh my God!
And the victim award goes to...
She's dragging me.
All right.
I told you. They went bat shit crazy. I keep telling y'all. What's she wearing on top of her head? It's something If somebody wrote me in the comments, they got mad and started talking about black women in their weave. Shut up. They don't come born with that. You can buy that shit at the damn store. I keep telling y'all, it's too many of y'all acting similar that wear that same shit on your head. That has some kind of chemical in there that has y'all acting some kind of funny ass way. I'm telling y'all.
You need to leave. Okay?
Help!
All right, ma'am. Don't.
Oh my God!
Don't make
Help
this
me! The
what it
police
is.
are attacking me!
Ma'am.
Help me, God! Help me!
Ma'am. Ma'am. Can you get your stuff and please leave, ma'am?
Oh my God! The police will not stop!
Ma'am. All right, let me see if she wants to get trespassed.
Go ahead.
All right.
I mean, at this point, hell yeah.
You want to trespass her?
Go ahead.
All right.
Yeah, she said, go ahead. She heard her screaming from way back there.
All right.
Right now, we go all the way to the Supreme Court and everybody involved.
Ma'am.
Go ahead.
Ma'am. Can you listen to what I have to say?
I'm listening to my music.
All right.
I got time to be with y'all on Sunday. Because you got on the uniform.
Ma'am, the manager wants you to leave.
Okay.
Okay? If you don't get your stuff and leave, you are going to be arrested for trespass after warning.
Go ahead.
Okay?
There's the warning right there. You're going to be arrested for trespassing if you don't get your stuff and leave.
You gotta do.
Are you refusing
Do
to
what
leave?
you gotta do.
Are you refusing to leave?
There's the there. There's the stubbornness. There's the resistance.
I'm asking, do what you gotta do.
Stupid.
Ma'am, are you refusing to
Do
leave?
what you gotta do. I'm listening to my music.
Are you refusing to leave?
So I wonder what happened in the 1960s when
Are you
individuals
refusing to leave, ma'am?
criminalized the police and utilized the police.
Are you refusing
Oh my
to leave,
God.
ma'am?
Let me go over here.
Are you refusing to leave?
Do what you gotta do.
Are you refusing to leave? All right, get up. Get up. Get up. Don't do this. Let me tell you something. You are not going to do that. Don't resist.
Don't resist. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it.
Don't scratch me. All right? Don't.
Look at her with her bitch ass.
Is this better for you, girl? Because you didn't want to leave the regular way. So is this better for you?
Ready to go? Yeah, all right.
Let's bring out the hobble for this.
Look at the cameras. Look at Miss Rita. Look at the cameras, and these people will see y'all. Listen. Look at the cameras.
We don't
No, right now.
And you got to open the door. You got to open the door, okay?
So as soon as I've been harassed by
I'm sorry, I forgot to introduce myself. My name's Lieutenant. Stand the deputy some level of force today to arrest you.
I don't know, the police were just, because they was the only ones jumping around. You'll see it on the camera.
Do you want to talk to me?
This is my name.
I'm sorry, what's your name?
First name. You.
That's okay, you can do that.
Look, freaky ass, take the pictures with this camera.
Yeah, I know.
Let's see, which card will she play next? The competition seems quite rough here at the casino, hey Matt?
Oh, well, it seems like she's going to play the racist card.
The racist card. Is that what she's going for? Give her a moment.
He didn't call him
And yes, she's all in with the racist card played.
Good luck to the female contestant playing with top competitors.
They didn't call another name. They didn't call another name.
You don't have to say
They
that.
called another. You want to say it? He called another.
Hold up. Let me get a picture of you, ma'am. Ma'am, can you look? Ma'am, can you look at me? Let me take your picture, please.
Y'all will. Y'all not.
Ma'am, can you just turn your face towards me and let me get a picture of you?
Look at him. He's
Ma'am, can you look at me so I can take your picture? Ma'am, could you please cooperate?
Thumbs up.
Do you have any?
She's a problem child here?
Yes, she is.
Is this a... Okay. I just want to
can
see.
usually talk to her and not have a problem with her no more, but I don't know. I'm here today, so.
We asked her to leave. She didn't leave. We asked her politely to leave, then she wouldn't leave. I asked her if she wants to trespass, and I asked her to leave again under her trespass warning. She refused to leave. We had to use force.
The woman was charged with battery and resisting arrest. Thanks for watching today's video. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe for more of our content.
Yo, man. Yo, be careful when y'all go to public places, like places you gotta share with other strangers, especially the bus. You know what I mean? You got the laundry, you got supermarkets, places where motherfuckers walk in there shooting everybody, all that crap. Just watch out for strangers, man, because you know what I mean. You can't be too aware. Always be aware, and if you got to be paranoid then, damn it. You know what I'm saying? Somebody who's not aware at all will tell you that you're paranoid when you're super aware. Just always remember that, you know what I'm saying? Yo, go ahead, check out this channel right here. They're the ones provided the video. And check out more videos they got over there. Show some love over there. Subscribe to Logic on Steroids, like my video over here. And go ahead, share it. And I got more coming to y'all. Peace.